Hi there, my name's Dan Westgate from Brilliant Ideas, and the reason for this video is to talk about the effect from the loading from tracking operating of the Spider Mute, and the machine I'm stood in front of is an Inoa 15.7 light lift. It's quite a popular machine. It weighs 1.95 tonnes and it has a basket capacity in the operating condition of 230 kilograms. We get a lot of inquiries at Brilliant Ideas for load spread solutions utilising our modular aluminium outrigger load spread system, ALIMATS, and often that is for the operating condition only. What I'm going to quickly talk about is the tracking condition. So these machines, they're very compact, which is why they're so popular. You'll get a lot of inquiries for this system on suspended floors. Now, for the purpose of this video, we are in our depot at Little Eaton. Suspended floors would be designed for their permanent usage. For example, offices which would be designed to take about 5 kilonewtons a metre squared, which clearly this would exceed. Now, currently these tracks are actually extended out to 1.1 metres wide. In the closed condition, they're 750 mil wide. Now, the contact length of this track is 1 metre, and the width of the track is 180 millimetres. So clearly, the tracks are putting quite a concentration of load down in the tracking condition in a very closed up space, compared to the outriggers that when they're deployed at roughly 2.8 metre centres. And also, with the operating condition, the outrigger foot is 300 mil diameter. Now, in the operating condition, when the basket is extended, it's putting a concentration of load on certain corners. Now, you can get that information of exactly what that load would be from the operator's manual, but that information is not always forthcoming when these load assessments are being carried out prior to arrival to site. So some approaches would be to adopt the 60% rule, which is to take 60% of the machine weight and then add the basket weight as well, or the basket capacity of 230 kilograms. Now, based on the 60% rule, the load going through a single outrigger foot would be in the region of about 1.4 tonnes, which is quite a considerable force if you consider what a suspended floor may be designed to take. Therefore, in most cases, load spread solutions would be required. If you adopted a more conservative approach of the 75% rule, plus the weight of the basket capacity, your actual load going through one of the single outriggers would be in order of 1.7 tonnes. Now, it's not as simple as this, but globally, the actual load on average would be about 550 kgs per outrigger foot, still a considerable force. And hopefully we can explain this further in other videos. Thank you very much.